Welcome to another episode of Tech Tuesdays by ANA. Today we want to talk about the ease of maintenance that we make it available for technicians to be able to do their maintenance and work on our product when needed out in the field. As you can see here, we have our 185 air compressor. We use these big gullwing style doors to make sure you have plenty of access. Technicians can get in there and make sure that they can change any filter when necessary. First up, we have our air oil separator filter. Now this filter needs to be changed every 1,000 hours on the compressor. However, you may need to change it more often if you have excessive discharge oil coming out of the end of your service valve, or if you have high discharge temperature pressure. It means that this filter is clogged up. Whenever you change this filter, you do also need to remove this line and change the banjo fitting inside this 90-degree elbow. It can be cleaned and replaced, but that's one nice thing about these 185s, that these filters are offset outside of the receiver tank. However, on the rest of our compressor models, note that they are located inside the receiver tank. Next, we get to our compressor air filter. This does need to be changed every 1,000 hours, but it's also a daily check to make sure it's not too dirty. We do have our fuel filter here. So this is gonna be our primary fuel filter for the system. This has a 500 engine hour interval, but depending on your environment and the type of fuel that you're getting, you may want to change that more often, maybe go down to about 250 hours. Here you have your engine air filter. This again is another 1,000 hour change, but it's also a daily or weekly check. Down here, we have our electromagnetic lift pump for our fuel system. This also has a filter inside of it that should be changed every 1,000 hours. Here we have our engine oil filter. Again, changed every 500 hours or as necessary with your oil change intervals. On the opposite end, we do have our compressor oil filter. Those also are changed every 500 hours as we go through the compressor oil. And then lastly, you can see that we have all of our drains located on the curb side of the unit, readily available for our technicians to be able to drain the unit without having to be in the street. For more information, please contact us through our website at anacorp.com. And please check out our support page for more videos and information.